Hello and what is up again, guys? Welcome back again to this channel wherein we are unboxing and making product reviews on random items that can be purchased online and anywhere else for my personal consumption, not only but for your preferences. So in this video, guys, we are going to unbox and make a product review on one of the smallest, if not the smallest phone in the market. This is the BM10 mini phone. So I have here the item, guys. So I purchased this via Lazada through JNT. So I purchased this. Let's go into the details actually. I purchased this from Miss Cindigo of Metro Manila at the price of 384, something like 55 pesos I think ang shipping fee niya. So that's the details of the item, guys. So let's unbox this and let's see kung ano itsura nito. So this is the item, guys. So let's see. I-unbox na natin. So actually nabuksan ko na, pero hindi ko pa talaga nasisilip o natatry. So nakita ko sa ibang videos, guys, this is a replica of the infamous Nokia 3310. Pero syempre mini phone nga, kaya expected na maliit yan. So let's open it. Secured siya, guys, ng bubble wrap. So I think kahit madaganan siya shipping, hindi siya basta-basta masisira. As you can see. Alright. So maliit na item lang talaga to. Yan. As you can see, ito na yung phone, guys. So nakalagay dyan sa box, the BM10 wireless, call, the voice notes, etc. etc. Mini phone, mini super small, mini na, super small pa, no? At the back is the color and other instructions dyan. Pero let's open it. So it's very small, guys. Talagang replica lang siya ng 3310. So gaya ng mga keypad phones, it's made out of plastic, and this one is rubber. Pero madali naman siyang pindutin. So let's see the inside. Lit lang yung screen nyo. So let's see the inside. So you can see the battery nakalagay dyan. Li-ion battery with the capacity of 380 mAh. So actually it will last for, I think, siguro 1 week na to, since ang liit naman ng screen niya, guys. So let's see. Oh, so meron siyang SIM card slots na dalawa. So pang dual SIM siya. Kaya lang nano SIM na ang kailangan mong gamitin dito. Yan. And may kasama siyang micro USB for charging. And this one is accessories na lang, para sa earbuds and etc. So let's try it. I-open na natin. Let's open the phone. Let's see if it's really working. Okay. And by and by, we will put SIM card into it. It's very cute and small, as you can see. And power on. Yan yung welcome greetings niya, welcome sounds niya. Wow. Insert SIM nakalagay. So let's go to the menu. Actually meron siyang phone book, messages, let's go back, call center, call register siguro natin to, call history nakalagay doon, media, meron siyang media. So meron din siyang storage kung may media. Settings, services, profile. So meron din siyang Bluetooth. Wow. My files. So pwede rin I don't know, I have to try it kung pwedeng salpakan yung isang slot ng SIM ng SD card. I think pwede. Alright. It's working. So, lagyan natin ng SIM card, guys. And let's try kung working talaga siya. Okay. So, I have here my SIM card. Insert natin and we will try it if it will work. So small. So cute. So let's try the SIM slot number 1. Ay, ganun pala. So I've already guys inserted the SIM. Medyo struggle lang siya kasi maliit. So let's try it. Mababasa niya yung SIM card natin. Let's open it. And by the way guys, meron pala siyang kasamang casing para hindi agad-agad masira. So wow, di ba? So let's see kung mababasa niya. Yun. So, my SIM is globe. So, nabasa niya na. I don't know my contacts kung nabasa niya. Tignan natin. Hindi gaano makita. Kailangan mo pa palang i-copy. So, by the way guys, it's nice. So, ngayon subukan naman natin kung mag-charge siya. Para wala tayong aberya sa charging niya. Dito tayo sa malapit sa saksakan and we will charge it. Charge it by... Okay, let's wait. If it's charging. Yes, it is charging guys. Kita nyo yung sign niya. Okay, it's good. Okay. So as you can see guys, it's very small. It's very small. Sabi ko nga, one of the smallest phone, if not the smallest phone in the market. So it's actually a working telephone, no? So tatawag ka ganun. Pwede. So yun nga guys, this is the BM10 mini phone. You can order it through Shopee or Lazada, whichever you want. So for the review of this, I will rate this as 3.5 out of 5. It's good actually. Parang secondary phone mo. Gusto mo maliit lang at cute. It's good. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell para sa upcoming unboxing. Thank you and God bless.